And where are we going?
Now we are going to the immigration center. Today is a very special day for me. I'm getting kitas.
Oh, nice.
And as you know, kitas is a visa that allows me to stay in Bali for a longer time. Yeah, so I'm happy. And today you're wearing a shirt that we bought last time in the shopping mall, right?
Yeah, we are going to the visa center. I should be like official. They will think that I am real man.
Good man. Integrated into Indonesian culture,
Yes,
right?
yes, so they show huge respect each time they see this shirts.
Cute, this taxi is Winnie the Pooh. Yellow. I bought this backpack, very cute one. So I am already wearing it. It's so nice, I like it. It makes my mood much brighter, better. And today I'm wearing Marimekko dress. I love it so much. Oh, yes, we arrived. Back to the immigration center. Photo drawings and the zone for reading books. And I received a receipt. Yeah, so finished so fast. Just taking picture and fingerprints, and that's all. So I couldn't take a picture because it's immigration center. Last time I came to extend my visa to immigration center, and everything was so sweet. But this time I came to get my kitas, and it was even better, you know. I arrived to immigration center and expected to like strict people sitting in front of me, but the guy in immigration center, he started to speak in Korean, and he said like, "Oh, 친구," it's in Korean, friend. 여자친구, 남자친구, yeah, like, and I was saying like, yeah, you're right. Oh, you know Korean, you're learning, and yeah. So while he was taking pictures, taking my fingerprints, we had a really nice and cute conversation. And I said like, "Oh, 최고." It's like so cool. So I have a really good mood after visiting immigration center, and it's amazing. And you can compare to my previous time, so which was also nice. Okay, so let's go to the next destination.
Let's go.
Where?
We can go to Mitra or take a walk around. I think maybe some sightseeing around. We can look at them.
Not really. Yeah, I prefer shopping. Yeah, no.
Shopping? Somehow shopping. Let's go.
And we decided to buy some laundry boxes that we will use. So let's check the price. This one, small one, 175. This is the same price, and the big one is 195,000 rupees. Wow. We arrived to the big shopping mall where we can buy everything for our house. We need a mask.
2001?
So here we are buying a mask, and you see, here is a shop, and here is a place where to buy a mask. I couldn't even find it actually, but Dennis already knows. Yes, so here's a mask. So if you want to buy everything for your house, you just come to Mitra shopping mall and you will find everything for the kitchen, bathroom, yes, cleaning as well. Yeah, Oh, it's Korean raincoat. Yeah. Price. Different price of all. Yeah, lots of boxes. It's for about 146 or 125. So the price is around 241. For bigger ones, 356,000. So you can also find different kinds of brushes. Yeah, and we also bought last time actually for painting walls. It's like obi in Russia, kind of similar and very convenient, and assistants are very helpful. So
We're choosing color and paint. Yeah, we should continue walking.
okay. So many colors and paint. So we ordered paint, and now they are making the color, mixing something, and so after several minutes it will be ready. Meanwhile, you can buy popcorn while waiting for our paint. Well, it's very smart.
Anna, how are you doing?
Yes, so this is a really nice massage chair from Korea.
Oh,
Wow.
nice. Oh, nice.
Yes. And they're selling here in Mitra. Wow, it's so nice.
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, good.
So we bought only lamps and thank for the shower.
And the paint.
And the paint actually. So they put our paint outside the shop, and now we will send it with a driver. Wow, that's heavy.
Yeah, no stress.
And we will go after that to eat some Korean barbecue. Yes, yes. So we decided not to go to Korean barbecue. It was not really good. And we now in a local restaurant eating pizza. See, it's a vegetarian with a very big green salad. I don't know how to say it. So today it was a good day, and see you next day. Thank you for watching. Wow, all of a sudden Denise was actually touched, and he bring me a big bouquet of flowers. Oh my god, so sweet. Today we are signing an agreement for our house, 2 years, a friend.
Satu-satu.
Wow.
Enggak, soalnya ini berapa punya gini?
Dua.
Itu dah.
Kan satu-satu. Beli nanti satu. Ini mau tanda tangan, ini mau tanda tangan. Yang
Wow.
Here's no need, okay.
saksi Pak. Saksi juga lah. Pak, ikut Pak Nova. Lu video ini.
Wow, so we will live in this house for 2 years and maybe longer. We included all the conditions. The agreement is written in Indonesian and English. Everyone is so friendly, so I hope we'll have a really good time here.
Oh yeah. I love you.